guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be getting my hair done for my wedding, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Starting off, we're going to be getting my hair washed, and the shampoo that she's using is a neutralizing shampoo because I have a dermatitis, which is like a form of eczema on my scalp, and neutralizing shampoo sets your hair's pH back to the regular pH level, like toner for your skin. So I feel like it helps with, me and my wife, we feel like it helps with setting my hair back to the pH, my scalp, because the skin on my scalp is the issue, which is like I have dermatitis is like a form of eczema that creates wet scabs on your scalp. Instead of it just being dry eczema and flaky, they kind of get moist. So I really need help because it kind of hurts because it's hair there and it's rough and all that stuff. So we pretty much use this neutralizing shampoo as a toner to retone my scalp, and it really helps because I still do get a little bit of itching, but I don't get a lot of flaking, and I haven't really had any moist scabs on my scalp for like 6 months. We've been doing this method for a while, but it really works for me. So she does 2 washes with the neutralizing shampoo, and then we go in with the regular shampoo. I didn't add the regular shampoo in here because it was like 3-4 washes and a conditioning. And I really just wanted to share this part because if you have any type of eczema or dandruff or anything like that, using a neutralizing shampoo, which is really for perms, it works really well for my natural hair because of my scalp, which is a skin condition. So try it out. It works well for me, and I think everybody else should use it. But for the rest of the shampoos and conditioners, we go back and forth between using Nairobi and using designer essentials, but my wife prefers designer essentials because it really visibly changes the hair. So that's what we use, but I didn't add all that extra stuff. I just added my very important step, which is neutralizing shampoo.
It's me, Jessica. I'm in here.
Now we're moving over to my retwist. She's gonna retwist it. Usually my wife retwists and styles. If you guys are fans of her channel, you'll see that in most of her videos she retwists and styles pretty much at the same time, as in she'll retwist a section and then braid it, and then retwist the next section and braid it. But because I'm doing a full bun and everything pretty much has to go up together, she's gonna give me a retwist alone to start off, and then we're gonna make sure my hair fully dries first and sit under the dryer, because I don't want to put my wet hair into a bun because it's not going to dry well. And if you don't dry your locks properly, you can get mold in them, and then your hair is going to smell like stinky feet, and nobody wants that, especially because I'm a girl. Disgusting. So we're doing a retwist first. But since we have all this time for this retwist, guys, it's been so long since I've been on my channel. I took a long break because we moved to Las Vegas, and life's been lifing in the best way. Life has been really good, but it's just, I had to focus. I moved across the country. I've moved from Philadelphia, then I lived in Chicago, and now we live in Las Vegas. And we think Las Vegas is going to be our forever home, but you never know. I thought Chicago would be too. But we love it here. It's amazing. And I want to get back into my content creation journey because it's my hobby, and it also really helps me with my mental health, and I love connecting with you guys. But I just needed some time to myself. I had to get myself together, get used to this new life, get used to this new job, get used to everything. This is my first summer here, and this past Sunday, which was July whatever, was 120 degrees, which was the hottest temperature ever recorded in Las Vegas. So personally, I think me and my wife are steaming the place up, and we belong here. So I'm excited. I'm super happy to be back on my journey. I want to be more active on my channel as far as not just post, because a lot of my hair videos I just pretty much post music over it, but I really want to talk to you guys and interact and kind of put my personality on my channel. So I'm excited, and we got a lot more equipment to take YouTube seriously. And I also, as you guys know, I share this journey with my wife too. So we both have YouTube channels. We both really enjoy it. It's the perfect little household. But I'm finally getting back to it, and I'm excited. I want to put out more content videos, more vlogs, more hair videos, and I just want my hair videos to be a lot more interactive. So here I am interacting. How are ya? How you doing? But yeah, the rest of it is just my retwist. I just wanted to use this big portion to talk to you guys, but she's just retwisting it, basic retwist, and then I'll be going under the dryer. I never add the dryer in because personally the dryer is very traumatic, so I'm not even going to put it in my video. I hate it. We all hate it. All of Courtney's clients, we hate it. So after this retwist, I will be sitting in the dryer for about My hair is pretty thin, so I sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes, maybe. Some people have to sit under for an hour. I am a 30-minute, maybe a 45-minute girl, but that's all you're going to get out of me before I start getting attitude and frustrated. So dryer right after this, and then we'll get back into her actually styling my hair. didn't tell you guys what kind of gel I'm using because we are kind of in between gels. We had a really good gel that we liked and the person discontinued it and stopped making it. So we're kind of figuring out what lock gel works best for us right now. So I don't share it until I'm sure of it. And we're not sure of it. So we're kind of in and out of finding things that work, don't work, especially living in Las Vegas because it's so hot here. So here she's just going in and putting my hair in the bun. I've already sat under the dryer at this point. My hair is going up into a bun, and this is sped up to like 7 or 8 times faster than she's actually going. So she's putting my hair in one piece at a time to like literally make sure my locks are not too tight, not any lock is tight. She's individually putting one by one so we can feel each one is not tight, because don't nobody want alopecia or alopecia on contract. I don't know how to say it. I'm not a hairstylist. Alopecia from your hair being too tight. So we made sure that she did it one by one, and she always does, and it looks great. And it wasn't too tight, especially because my hair wasn't fully dry, because I get an attitude about the dryer. So sometimes when it dries down a little more, it gets tight. So one by one with locks, don't just throw it up in a ponytail and hope for the best, because you can pull some of your hair out. So after she gets it into a nice bun, she puts she's braiding it individually, because the bun that I was going for was a braided bun. I just feel like it's nicer than like just a nice bun. There are elegant buns that you just kind of wrap your locks around as one whole thing, but I just felt like it would be a lot more neat to have braids and it be like an individual. And also the braids give it some more definition, which I like. So I opted for a braided bun. You can definitely do this style without braids, but also I got the braids too because I'm very particular about what my hair looks like when I take it out of the style, and getting the braids was going to cause my hair to have like a little bit of a crinkle and a curl after I took my hair down in however many weeks. So I prefer to get braids for that reason too. As you can see, she's just wrapping the braids, and once she gets the braids, it's kind of like Tetris, like getting it in there to look really smooth and nice. Once she does that, she's going to sew it, and the type of thread, as you can see, that you can't tell this, but the type of thread that she's using is leather thread, because leather thread is really hard to break. I don't know if it breaks at all, but I've never broken it. It's really, really hard to break. So she's sewing it. I prefer sewing over a a bobby pin. And after this, she just added pearls into my hair. added them individually. That was in our hotel room the morning of our wedding. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I enjoyed my wedding. My next video will be my wedding vlog. It might not be a lot of footage, but it was some parts that we got because we wanted to share it with you guys. So stay tuned for my next video, and thank you so much for watching this.